And a very pleasant good afternoon, everyone. It's Tuesday, March the 10th. We'll call this a BJ Thomas Tuesday because raindrops are falling on our head. I forgot this was on the Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid soundtrack. Raindrops are falling on her head. I can't play the whole song because I'll probably get in trouble by the music police on Facebook. So, you know where I was going to go with that. I would love to play the whole song. Anyway, I digress. Mild today. A lot of clouds and as expected, some occasional rain showers. Not a lot of rain. Most cases probably picked up less than a quarter of an inch for sure, but a tenth, maybe 2/10 of an inch of rain in any given spots across the area this afternoon and this morning, but just a lot of clouds. Now, as we head through the next several days, we're not going to see a huge variation in temperature. It's going to stay pretty much the same afternoon temperature, give or take a few degrees, but above normal through Friday and then cooler through the weekend, which I'll break down day by day when we head to the whiteboard momentarily. Right now, let's head to the computer. Show you the homepage for Pittsburgh, weathernow.com. And you can see right there on the top of the homepage a new posting today talking about what are contrails. You probably saw some of these over the weekend or even yesterday. It's called condensation trails. It's an abbreviated word for condensation trails. And I sort of explained to you what they are, how they form. So you visit the homepage there, pittsburghweathernow.com, and click right there on the link at the top of the page and find out about contrails or condensation trails. Kind of a cool little thing that I've been trying to do more regularly, sort of like a blog post right there at the top of the home page. Let us check out some current conditions. We'll jump right in, both feet first, and you can see again mild. Everyone 50 degrees or better. Franklin's at 50, Newcastle 51. You got 56 in downtown Pittsburgh and 57 in Washington, and as expected, winds out of the west-southwest, gusty at times, generally about 12, 15 miles an hour, but some gusts of 20 and 25 miles an hour can be seen or have been seen across the area this afternoon. Let's head to the radar, and you will see a very distinct line of rain showers that extend across the area from parts of Armstrong County down through through the city of Pittsburgh right now into Washington County. That, my friends, is the cold front. Behind that boundary, winds are going to start shifting more out of the west, and drier air is going to filter in. So we're getting toward the back end of our rain shower chance. I think in all locations, the rain shower threat comes to an end by 6 o'clock this evening. It'll be sooner in some locations, west and north, and probably closer to the 6 o'clock hour for areas to the south and east. But that very sort of distinct line right here, that is your cold front that will bring some moderate cooling to the area tonight and through the day tomorrow. Again, not a huge cool off, but it will be probably on average 3 to 5 degrees cooler in the next 24 hours. So again, that threat for rain showers will continue between now and about 6 o'clock this evening. So that is a look at your current conditions across the area. Look ahead in just a moment. First, a few headlines for today. Stock market jumping around again throughout the course of the day today. Pretty much Groundhog Day there with the same fears of the effects of the coronavirus. And we're hearing about more large-scale group gathering cancellations. Concerts are being canceled and other large-scale events. That's your news headline today. It's been the news headline every day. Penguins are in action tonight in New Jersey against the Devils. And also on the sports headline page today, it was announced today the Hall of Fame football game on August the 6th in Canton, Ohio. The Steelers will be playing against the Dallas Cowboys in the Hall of Fame game. And a lot of people anticipated that with 3 Steelers going into the Hall of Fame. Donnie Shell, Bill Cowher, and of course Troy Polamalu. So there will be a big contingent, I'm sure, of black and gold in Canton in early August this year. Steelers Cowboys in the Hall of Fame game in Canton, Ohio. Quickly, some birthdays for today. Chuck Norris, 80 years old today. Hard to believe. Walker, Texas Ranger, is 80 today. Carrie Underwood has a birthday today. Meadville's own Sharon Stone has a birthday today. She's 62. Rod Woodson in the Hall of Fame, 55 today. If you're a fan of Shark Tank, you know who Barbara Corcoran is. She has a birthday today. She is 71. And the late Jim Valvano would have had his birthday on this day. It's National Mario Day today, as in Super Mario, the video game character. Ka-ding! Super Mario Lemieux. We could celebrate him every day in Pittsburgh. And it's Women and Girls HIV Awareness Day today as well. All right, let's head to some weather information moving forward. I showed you on radar the current position of the cold front. This is the expected position at 7 o'clock this evening. Other side of the state, you can see the moisture quickly waning as high pressure quickly builds in. So at least at the low levels of the atmosphere, things are going to dry out. I have my suspicions that we'll continue to see mid-level moisture. What that means is probably it's going to be tough for us to break through the clouds tonight, and could potentially late tonight see some patchy fog developing as the winds will be diminishing as well. Here's a look at your Wednesday. A dry start to the day, albeit mostly cloudy. You'll notice this little weak area of low pressure scooting by to the south. I think that could throw us a passing rain shower at some point late in the day tomorrow. If you get a rain shower, it will be light, and that's a big if. Many places probably will not. And we'll likely get through tomorrow and tomorrow night rain-free. And then here is Thursday morning, starting off the day on Thursday with dry skies. Going to be another mild day. Our next weather system of significance back here, that should be here late Thursday night and into Friday morning. But all along, temperatures are going to be above average through Friday, and then start to turn cooler, seasonably cooler, over the weekend. So that's a look at your weather maps for the next several days. How about a look at your whiteboard for the next several days? I won't keep you in suspense any longer than I have to. You're here, after all, for No Hype, simply accurate weather information, which I'm about to provide you. Here we go. Here's a look at your whiteboard. For Tuesday afternoon, there's the website. I ask that you visit it, pittsburghweathernow.com. That's where you find everything whiteboard weather, including some educational little articles. The Whiteboard Weather theme song is sung by Good Brother Earl. The Pittsburgh Weather Now shop, where you can get merchandise to sport this spring and summer, in addition to a number of links to some of our Pittsburgh Weather Now and Whiteboard Weather sponsors. Your sunset tonight, 7:21, comes up tomorrow, 7:39. Moon is in a waning gibbous phase. We're now post full moon. Through the first third of the month of March, we are officially 6.6 degrees above average. The next 10 days will be near to above average, so sort of a continuation of the same theme. And we are 10 days away from the Vern, aka the vernal equinox, the calendar start of spring coming up on March the 20th. So for tonight, showers ending by 6 o'clock, sooner for areas north and west, a little closer to 6 o'clock for areas east and south. Winds diminish, could be some patchy fog, down to 34 for an overnight low. Then for tomorrow, Call it mostly cloudy. Could see some brightening of the skies or maybe a peak or two of sunshine. It probably won't be much. I'd lean more toward clouds tomorrow, 50. A passing shower in the afternoon, probably after 5 o'clock. Mostly cloudy, 40 degrees. We surge again on Thursday, up to 60 degrees. Clouds will be mixed with sunshine, a mild day, and then that next weather system arrives Thursday night into Friday morning, so there'll be some rain showers Thursday night. Wrapping up on Friday morning, it will start to turn slightly cooler as we head through Friday afternoon, 51, probably the high temperature before noon, and then it will slide into the 40s by later in the day on Friday. Saturday, partly sunny skies, 48 degrees. You know what's going on Saturday, the big St. Patrick's Day parade in downtown Pittsburgh for the wearing of the green. Should be a fine day to wear your green and enjoy yourself a pint, maybe an Irish coffee or some Irish whiskey, whatever you have for St. Patrick's Day celebrations. And then on Sunday, 47 degrees with more clouds than sunshine. So a seasonably cool week. And again, normal highs around 47. Should be back closer to normal over the weekend after spending the next 3 days with above normal temperatures. So that is a look at your Tuesday afternoon edition of Whiteboard Weather. Some of you noting you're seeing a quick burst of rain. That is that very thin line. I showed you the main line of showers coming through with the cold front. Areas east and south will still see it, and you're probably looking at maybe a 10-minute sort of, as I said, burst of rain, and then it moves on, and the winds may pick up a little bit, but overall, we will all be seeing the rain coming to an end in the next 3 hours. So that will do it for this afternoon. You're good to go. Send you on your way. You no longer need to sit and wait for any weather information. You got it all here, simply accurate, without the hype, without watching crime stories or car accidents or any of that other stuff that you really don't want to see. So have yourself a great Tuesday afternoon. As always, please share Whiteboard Weather with your Facebook friends. The more you share, the more people know and the more people can join our community each and every day. I'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Have a great afternoon and evening, everyone. Peace. See ya.